Hello everyone and welcome. This is Dawn. I'm so glad you could join me. I'm still in Halloween mode and I have the quickest and easiest Halloween gift tags to share with you. I'm going to use the Mini Slim Gift Tags die set. It comes with two different size gift tags. I'm going to use the smaller gift tag today. It measures approximately 4 3/4 by 2 3/4, just so you have an idea of how big the tag is. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is die cut two gift tags from some black cardstock, and then I die cut two gift tags from white cardstock. Then I'm going to use the Boo die set. I just love this die set. I use it a lot. These ghosts go so well for little accents on any tags, cards. They just, they're adorable and I just can't help but use them. I keep the ghosts attached and I just die cut all 5 at the same time because I use them so much. So I'm going to die cut them from some white cardstock along with the Boo sentiment. Now, if you really want to spend some time on these gift tags and go all out, you could cut 3 of everything and glue them together to add dimension, but the point of this video is to make these gift tags so that they're super quick. So I'm not adding dimension today, but if I was going to sell them at a craft fair or give them as a gift to someone, I might add the dimension because, well, I just love dimension on everything. However, to hand out to kids for trick-or-treating or to my kids' friends, today I'm just going to make them simple so that I can mass produce a lot of them in a short period of time. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just gluing the white back to the back of the black cardstock. I'm doing this, one, to make the tag thicker so it doesn't bend that easy, and the other reason is if you wanted to write on the back of the gift tag, or for another idea, you could stamp Happy Halloween on the back of the tag as well. That's totally up to you. Here I'm just laid out what I want my gift tag to look like, and I'm just using my liquid glue to adhere the sentiment and the ghost to the tag, and then that's basically it. The tag is done. It's very quick and simple, and I think it looks great. Now for the next gift tag, I'm going to heat emboss on the tag. So the first thing I'm going to do is rub the tag with my embossing powder bag. Then I'm going to use the Trick or Treat sentiment from the Trick or Treat house stamp set. I'm going to use my white pigment ink to stamp the sentiment. You can use Versamark ink if you want to, but I like how it looks when I use the white pigment ink. I do stamp it a few times though to make sure that I get really good coverage. Then I pour white embossing powder on it. And when my heat tool is good and hot, I heat emboss the sentiment. And sometimes I heat emboss from the back as well, just in case the tag starts to bend a little, it will put it back to shape. When it's done, the sentiment kind of looks like it has a crackled look to it, and I think that looks nice for the Halloween look. Then I take one of the smaller ghosts and I adhere it to the top of the gift tag. And to finish off the gift tags, I take some black and white string I had and I attach it to the top of the tags. I think these gift tags came out really nice and they're really quick and easy to make, and you can definitely mass produce them very easily. Okay, that's going to complete my tags for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. I would love for you to leave a comment below and let me know what you think of the gift tags. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great inspirational videos. Also, check out their website for all their new releases. And as always, thanks for stopping by and have yourself a wonderful day.